Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to detail your motorcycle helmet so it looks fantastic for your next ride. Now this Shoei RF 1400 Gundam helmet has a high-end painted clear coated shell, and with this graphic finish you want products that clean safely without adding a haze, streaking, or an artificial gloss. So with the visor, comm system, and camera removed, I'm going to show you my Geon setup. Now this is not a sponsored video, and with all my other detailing videos, you know I'm a huge fan of Geon products. So we'll be using Bathe, Detailer, and Cure, along with a few microfiber cloths and a bowl of warm water. Start by adding a couple of drops of Geon Bathe in your bowl of warm water. Now with your microfiber cloth, gently rub, but try not to scrub the graphics on your helmet. Now if you haven't cleaned your helmet in a while, or you just happen to come back from that ride and have a tremendous amount of bug splatter, let the microfiber cloth sit on the bug splatter for about 3 to 5 minutes before wiping. Now the reason I like to use Geon Bathe is because it's pH neutral, it's safe for painted helmet shells, great for bug splatter and road film, and it won't strip that factory finish. The other areas you want to pay attention to on your helmet is all the vented slots. Just make sure they're all clean. After applying Geon Bathe, buff it dry with a clean microfiber cloth. For the next step, I'm going to use Geon Quick Detailer, and this is relatively easy. All you're going to do is spray it directly onto the microfiber cloth. Now the reason I like to use Geon Quick Detailer is it removes those fingerprints. It adds slickness so bugs wipe off easier. It's safe on glossy painted helmets, and it's quick and easy after a ride. After the application of Quick Detailer, just buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth. Now for a gloss helmet like mine, we're going to add the last protective layer with Geon Cure Redefined. Just like any other product, it's better to spray it on the microfiber cloth rather than on the surface of the helmet. Now Geon Cure has a lot of added benefits. It's meant for UV protection, water beading for when you get caught in the rain, easier cleaning for those heavier bug rides, plus it adds that extra layer of protection over your graphic clear coat. Now for this last step, of course I'm using the Geon Cure Redefined because my helmet is a gloss finish. If your helmet is like my daughter's, which is a matte finish, Geon does make another product called Geon Cure Matte, which is specifically formulated for matte surfaces. So again, if your helmet has a matte finish, at this stage just use Geon Cure Matte. Of course, follow this up with a quick little buff. I just reinstalled my visor, and with the helmet clean and protected, I'm just going to go ahead and use Geon glass because I've got fingerprints all over this visor. With everything now fully installed, including the comm and camera, I'm ready to go for my next ride. Now that your helmet is fully detailed, it's all about maintenance. For myself, after every ride, I'll just reapply the quick detailer along with a buff and dry. On a monthly basis, that's when I'll do the full routine, which includes the Geon Bathe, quick detailer, and Cure Redefined. There you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on how to detail your Shoei RF 1400. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time in your home garage.